so I'm ready to begin his microneedling. I'm going to turn the DermaPRF pen on, adjust it to the speed that I want to work at. I already have the depth set at his proper setting, and I'm going to apply some PRF by pushing the button. How was that, Dr. Myron?
Good.
And with the PRF coming out, it just naturally glides right over the skin. I make sure I do all of my passes. And anytime I feel like it needs a little bit more PRF, I just push the button down.